Mepeed tradition in Bali, a spiritual and cultural journey. What is Mepeed? Mepeed is a unique tradition still preserved in several villages in Bali, especially in Sukawati village. The word peed itself means like a parade. This tradition involves the process of walking side by side in a single line towards a holy place, usually a temple, as a form of offering and gratitude to God. Meaning and purpose of Mepeed. 1. Expression of gratitude. Mepeed is a form of gratitude from Balinese Hindus to God for all the blessings given. 2. Self-purification. The process of walking in a line towards a holy place is considered a form of self-purification from all physical and spiritual impurities. 3. Strengthening local wisdom values. This tradition also serves to preserve local wisdom values, such as mutual cooperation, unity, and respect for ancestors. 4. Mendak Tirta. One of the main purposes of Mepeed is to take holy water or called tirta from a sacred spring. This holy water is then used in religious ceremonies. Implementation of Mepeed. Participants. Mepeed is usually followed by Balinese women wearing full traditional attire. Route. The route usually starts from the village temple to the main temple or holy spring. Bantan. Participants carry bantan that containing various agricultural products as offerings. Musical accompaniment. The Mepeed procession is usually accompanied by gamelan or other traditional Balinese music. Uniqueness of the Mepeed tradition. 1. Exclusively for women. Mepeed is generally only followed by women, although there are some areas that involve men. 2. Makeup and clothing. Participants wear very beautiful and distinctive traditional makeup and clothing. 3. Synchronization of movement. Participants must maintain harmony and synchronization of movement while walking. Symbolic meaning. Gibogan. The gibogan carried on the head symbolizes fertility and prosperity. Iyanan. Traditional clothing. Colorful traditional clothing symbolizes the beauty and diversity of Balinese culture. Line 9. The orderly line symbolizes unity and togetherness. Are you interested with more content of Balinese culture and arts? Please give me any idea or topic you want to know in the comment section below. See you in the next video.